sense, we saw that there are not many legal ways in order to ask for the data, and Serbia is not a member state of European Space Agency, not a member of UN COPUS, nor did it sign the remote sensing principles resolution. We then have to see, okay, what is offered, and Copernicus is one of the main satellite infrastructures that actually has full and open policy data. Now, what does this mean? So European Union, together with European Space Agency, they launched a satellite construction into outer space that is used to monitor the whole Earth. It's one of the main Earth observation systems, and they are sharing all the data that they gather with all the users. So free worldwide access to Copernicus data and information for lawful reproduction, distribution, communication to the public, adaptation, modification, and combination with other data. Interesting with Copernicus is that it offers a lot of possibilities, like the different types of analysis that you can get from the data, but they deliberately left for private sector to fill in the gaps that Copernicus is not offering. So for example, Copernicus doesn't have the best resolution images of resolution image. Actually, the private companies have better, and this was done intentionally because it was the idea that Copernicus, together with private sector, is going to be used so to enhance the private sector, but at the same time to offer some open and free data. Now, if you're not a member country of EU or ESA, then you make a cooperation agreement with Copernicus, which is what we did. And they ask from you, the cooperation agreement asks to have a mirror hub policy, which means that you're also serving data to Copernicus, either because you have another installation in outer space, which is useful for them, or you're giving them in situ data, so something that you're gathering on ground from other sources. So basically, you're using the free data that they are already giving, but through this Copernicus agreement, you're feeding them with information from your territory. And then you have an institution or an organization in each country which is responsible for this, to be this kind of hub of information. And in Serbia, that's Biosense Institute in Novi Sad. They're the ones who are partners of Copernicus in Serbia.